What were you gonna say?
It's kind of like inverse operations, cause
How so?
like when you put one
Guys.
when you put one little thing under it, you have to see if it'll match. If it doesn't, well, wait, no, it's not like inverse.
You sure? You might be onto something. When you say match, what do you mean? Like
You see when you put one little thing, one of the boxes under it, and you combine the two.
why don't you show me? Right, we have the game in front of us. So, like, what do you mean?
No, watch. Which one? I'll start from here. Look, you put one under, one right here. It'll just combine. But if you get it wrong, then it won't. See, like that.
So when you put, how is that like inverse operations when you combine those two?
When you combine two,
Think about it. What are you combining?
you're combining the two boxes that match.
How do they match though? What's this? Are they the same? Are they exactly the same?
Yeah, like these two, they're exactly the same.
Okay.
So they'll combine into one.
What about this though that you're about to do? How's that like inverse operations?
You're putting like, let's say 233 into 233. You're putting those two combined together, which will create a zero.
Oh, okay. So can you show me in this what you mean? Like in this question?
Yeah,
like how would you solve that?
You see how you're about to like put the W by itself?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna add or subtract 573 to leave it by itself. Then it's like the game when you tap on it. Then you have to like put.
What are you trying to get by itself in the game?
You're trying to get the green vortex in by itself, kind of. No, I mean.
Is it the green vortex that you're trying to get on? So what's that box like? What does that represent? What do you think? What would the box be like?
The W.
It would be the variable, right? Okay. And how about like this D right here, going with this D? What would that be like in this equation? What would that be like doing?
It would be like 573 plus 239.
Oh, very good. Cool. Can you show me the answer to that then?
This is kind of. So W will equal 812.
Cool. So like this would be, what would be on this side and what would be on this side if this were like the game?
If this were like the game.
Like imagine this problem was in this game. What would be on this side of the page and what would be on that side of the page?
You mean is the C's. If I was playing this game, I would just go put one here and put one here, and like that.
Okay.
To explain, but look, you see how there are two of these right here?
Mm-hmm.
Look, you're leaving the box by itself.
Good.
So you'll get 13.
Do you know why you need the dark version though to cancel out the light? Why do you need to do that?
Because it's kind of like distance divided by time equals speed. You'll try and, how do I explain this? you'll try and
Don't stress
take
yourself out too much.
You'll try and take